Hello everyone and welcome to our latest travel video where we take you on a journey to the beautiful city of Stockholm. Known for its stunning architecture, historic landmarks, and gorgeous waterways, Stockholm is a destination that should be on everyone's bucket list. In this video, we will explore the city's must-see sights, taste its delicious cuisine, and immerse ourselves in its rich culture. So sit back, relax, and join us as we discover the charm of Stockholm. Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, is a city of contrasts and beauty. Nestled between the freshwater Lake Mälaren and the Baltic Sea, Stockholm is a city that has something for everyone. With its stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and rich history, Stockholm is a city that truly stands out from the rest. 2. Location. One of the defining characteristics of Stockholm is its location. The city is spread across 14 islands, each offering something unique and beautiful. The central island of Stockholm is where you will find many of the city's most famous sights, such as the Royal Palace and the Stockholm Cathedral. The islands of Södermalm and Gamla Stan, also known as the Old Town, are home to some of Stockholm's trendiest neighborhoods, filled with cafes, shops, and bars. 3. Architecture. Another defining characteristic of Stockholm is its architecture. The city has a long and rich history, and this is reflected in the architecture that you can see throughout Stockholm. The city is filled with historic buildings, many of which date back to the 16th and 17th centuries. Some of the most notable examples of architecture in Stockholm include the Royal Palace, the Stockholm Cathedral, and the Gustav III Museum of Antiquities. 4. Culture. Stockholm is also a city of culture, with a thriving arts and music scene. The city is home to many theaters, museums, and galleries, as well as numerous music venues and festivals. Some of the most popular museums in Stockholm include the Swedish National Museum, the National Museum of Fine Arts, and the Museum of Modern Art. The parks and green spaces. The city is also home to many parks and green spaces, making it a great place for those who love the outdoors. The largest park in Stockholm is the Royal National City Park, which covers over 27,000 acres and is home to many scenic lakes and forests. Other notable parks in Stockholm include Kungsträdgården, a popular park in the heart of the city, and Djurgården, a park that is home to many of Stockholm's most famous attractions. 6. Food and drink. Stockholm is also a city of food and drink, with a thriving restaurant scene and many traditional Swedish dishes to try. Some of the most popular Swedish dishes include meatballs with lingonberry sauce, pickled herring, and gravlax, a type of salmon that is cured with salt, sugar, and dill. The city is also home to many bars and clubs, with a vibrant nightlife that is perfect for those who love to party. 7. Conclusion. In conclusion, Stockholm is a city that is truly unlike any other. With its stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and rich history, Stockholm is a city that will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you are interested in art, music, food, or nature, Stockholm has something for everyone, and is a city that is well worth a visit.